the previous video we had a Blafili amplifier that was Bluetooth only. But today we have the preamp from them, and it's also Bluetooth only, but then boosting your Bluetooth signal to analog. And the funny thing as well with this preamp is that they have made it in the same body. So this means, as you can see, if you put them both on each other, they're pretty much the same housing. Of course the front is a bit different with not the volume knob and everything, but the overall look is pretty similar. But funny thing with the preamp as well is that not only do you have the possibility to use analog outputs, so even balanced output, but it even has the possibility to use USB Type-C and optical. So this makes it also pretty alright for digital sounds system. But yeah, sadly, because this amplifier from them is only Bluetooth, I could not pair them up together to showcase how this preamp performs. So I decided to pair it up with the Fosse audio amplifier, and then we're going to take a few listenings to those song performance. So let's go into those.